Now we are going to learn the use of some adverbs and adverb phrases. The usage of that, sometimes you do not use correctly. So the use of some adverbs and phrases in different kinds of sentences we are going to look at. The use of the use of some adverbs and adverb phrases. Adverb phrases. Use of some adverbs and adverb phrases. That's what we're going to look at. Use of adverbs and adverb phrases. Okay, that's what we're going to look at. Now, the words like very, much. These two words, very is used with adjectives and adverbs. Very. The word very is used with the adjectives and adverbs in the positive degree. Much. The word much is used in the comparative degree. So we're going to look at the words very and much. Now look at the word very. The word very, the word much. These two words we are going to look at very carefully. Okay. Now, when I say very, very is used with adjectives and adverbs. Very is used. Very is used with. Very is used with adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives and adverbs. Adverbs. Very is used with adjectives and adverbs in the positive degree. In the positive degree. In the positive degree. Okay. Now, what about much? Much is used in the comparative degree. Much is used in the comparative. In the comparative degree. We are trying to understand the use of some adverbs and adverb phrases. We are looking very closely at very and much. Very is used with adjectives and adverbs in the positive degree, the word much in the comparative degree. Now let's look at the sentences. Now, he is very happy. Let's look at that. He is very happy. He's very happy. When you say he's very happy, not much happy. What we mean here is not much happy. He's very happy, but what we really mean here is not much happy. But the actual correct use is he is very happy. Look at the second sentence. He runs. He runs very fast. He runs very fast. What we mean here is not much fast. Okay? What we mean here is not much fast. We are looking at the word very. When you say very, he is very happy. But not much happy. He runs very fast. What we mean is not much fast. Another sentence. He is much better today. He is much better today. When you say he is much better today, we also mean not very better. It's okay. Much better today. What we mean is not very better. But the correct way is he is much better. Okay. So what we are he is much better. That's a better way of using than saying he is very better today. That's wrong. That's not correct way, but it's okay. But the correct way is he is much better, he runs very fast, he is very happy. Now another sentence. He runs much faster than I. He runs much faster than I. Much faster than I. Okay? He runs much faster than I. That's the right use, but that means not very fast. What we mean is not very fast or not very faster. So what are we looking at here? The correct usage of very and much. He is very happy. That's the right usage. He runs very fast. He is much better today. He runs faster than I. So what we are trying to say is very is used with present participles and much with the past participles. So we are looking at the word very. Okay? Very, the word very is used with present participle. Present participle. Then much. What about the word much? Much with past participle. Much with past participle. And that's what we are going to remember. Now, let's look at some more sentences. He is very sorry. We say here, he is. He is very sorry. When he says he is very sorry, what we mean here, when we say he is very sorry, we mean much. Actually, we are so much sorry, full of sorrow is. But the right usage is he is very sorry, but actually not much. Not much. Not much sorry. Okay, let's take another sentence. It is very alarming. It is very alarming. It is very alarming. Something dangerous has happened and then something bad has happened. So we say, my goodness, it is very alarming. What we are looking at is the correct usage of very, the correct usage of much in the English language usage. Okay, let's look at the third sentence here. It is very surprising. It is very. It is very surprising. And here we are using very with the present participle. So all the three sentences are present participles. Okay. Now, it is very surprising. So we have done sentences A, B, and C. And all three are the usage of very, and the three sentences are the present participle. Now let's look at a couple of sentences with much in the past participle. Okay, let's look at another two sentences. D. Let's look at that. He was much alarmed to hear the news. That's the past participle. He was much. He was much alarmed to hear the news. So here the much. In this sentence, the much is with the past participle. Here, he is very sorry. It is very alarming. It is very surprising. All the three are in the past participle. And here, we are used the much to understand. Much is used with the past participle. He was much alarmed to hear the news. Let's take one more sentence. I was much troubled to see her face. I was much troubled. I was much troubled to see her face. To see her face. And that's in the what participle? Past participle, much. The two words much in D and E, the two sentences are used with the past participle. Let's look at what we have done. The usage of some adverbs and adverb phrases that we are looking at. Now here we are going to use two words, very and much. Very is used with the adjectives and adverbs in the positive degree, and much is used in the comparative degree. Okay, so now positive degree. He is very happy. He runs very fast. Now, much is used in the comparative. He is much better today. Yesterday maybe he was not so good. He is much better today. He runs much faster than I. Comparative. So, now in these sentences, very is used to the present participles. He is very sorry. It is very alarming. It is very surprising. Present participle. The other way, much in these two sentences are used with the past participle. He was much alarmed to hear the news. I was much troubled to see her face. So, the correct usage of much and very is what we looked at so far.